I just wanted to share this video specifically of me applying on my mobile device, because I know that not everyone has a laptop, and doing things on your laptop is certainly different than doing it on your phone. So I just wanted to show that it can be done on your phone as well, on a mobile device. So now that we talked about the bonus intro offers, we're going to be talking about the actual application process. So this is me on my phone. This is screen sharing of me, that one screen that we were at before. If you're on mobile version, it'll have a little icon that says apply now. After you click apply, it's gonna load. It says, if you're approved for this card, your credit score will not be impacted. This is what it's offering you. Always make sure to read the current terms and conditions on the screen that you're using. So this is what it's going to ask you. It's going to ask you for some personal info. You're going to type your name, your full name, and then you're going to type your date of birth. Pretty simple, pretty basic. Click continue. You're going to type your email. And you're going to type your phone number. You're also going to type your address. Type your address. After you click that, continue, it's going to move you to step 3. You're going to type some of your financial details. You're going to type your social security number, and if you don't have that, click that you do not have one. Now you're going to type your annual income. Type a guesstimate of your gross annual income. You can make it look like you maybe earn a little bit more than you do. That's just kind of, for the bank's information to decide. After you type your income, choose how you're employed. Choose if you are employed, retired, self-employed, unemployed, military, or a business owner. After that, you're going to type in your Hilton Honors number. So you can sign up for the Hilton Honors program, separately before opening up the card. And that's what I did. So I already have an account with Hilton Honors. So now I'm just gonna link my account to the card. If you do not have an account with Hilton yet, that's okay. You can just set up one afterwards. But if you have your Hilton Honors number, type it in. So this is me going to my Hilton Honors account number. I just go into my contacts, into my saved, and then I'm gonna copy and paste the number. Pretty straight. Okay, sorry y'all, the battery died, and I'm gonna try to do this before this battery dies and before I have to head into work. After you type in your Hilton Honors number, it's gonna bring you to one more screen, the terms and conditions. It keeps on reminding you that if you are approved and choose to accept the card, the information we provide to the credit bureaus may impact your credit score. But remember that applying has no impact on your credit score. They really want you to know that applying has no impact on your credit score. But if you are approved and choose to accept the card, then it may affect your credit score. They're really trying to stress that point to you. Okay, after that, here's all the terms and conditions. I highly recommend you read it, do your own due diligence, and just know what you're signing up for. And yeah, I would definitely click expand terms and conditions, read everything, but once you're all good, just click continue and submit, and let's see what we get. Okay, the next screen that pops up, it says, would you like, so the next screen that pops up, it's asking if you would like to add a additional user on the card. So with credit cards, you can typically add, you know, a spouse or a child or a partner. It's pretty much like a secondary card, a second card where y'all both can earn points, but it's under your name and you're pretty much guaranteeing it for them. So if you want, you could add an additional card member. I think you can add up to, it looks like you can add up to 4 before they start charging you, but you can always do this at a later time. If you don't want to add an additional card member, just click skip this step, and then, and that's it. It says, good news, Derek, you're approved. Accept your card below. It says, there has been no impact to your credit score up to this point. If you choose to accept the card, the information we provide to credit bureaus may impact your credit score. If no action is taken, your application will be considered withdrawn and canceled. So I personally, you know, I want this card. I knew I was gonna get approved for this card. So I clicked accept. Once you click accept, it's loading. It says, thank you for accepting the Hilton Honors card, Derek. Your card is expected to arrive by Wednesday the 12th. I played on the 2nd. It says it's expected to come by the 12th. So that's a week and a half. Another cool thing is it says, good news, you can get your card number now. So pretty much before you even get your card, you can start using your card for online purchases and whatnot. And yeah, I'm just super excited to use this card. This card is pretty cute. It's like blue and purple. It has a cute color. So far I've spent like $400 to $500 on it. I still need to spend like $500 more on it to get the bonus reward, but I'm super excited. This is definitely the last card that I'm opening up this year. I'm already kind of brainstorming for next year, maybe what I want to open up, but there may be some new cards in the new year. So for this year, this is it. This completes my trifecta of the Amex family. I just wanted to share this video specifically of me applying on my mobile device, because I know that not everyone has a laptop, and doing things on your laptop is certainly different than doing it on your phone. So I just wanted to show that it can be done on your phone as well, on a mobile device. These companies are actually really smart, and they optimize the user ability, the compatibility with just being able to apply online. I'm sure there's some statistic out there. I'm not too sure what the statistic is, but I feel like a lot of people use their mobile device as their primary device to search things up for communication, for talking, for alarm, for so many things. And yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that it can be done on your phone as well. Feel free to write me in the comments below if you have any questions. If you want to see any types of videos, let me know. I'll be more than happy to give my 2 cents, some of my knowledge, my opinion on any topics that I feel comfortable sharing with. Before this dies, I wanted to say thank you all so much for watching until the end. If you liked this video, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button, subscribe, and hit the bell notification to be notified every single time I post a new video. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.